What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video where we are pretty much going to complete the steering on the race car. I got the parts in now, so that should be everything I need. I just want to let you guys know at the end of the video there are some announcements coming up for the team, so be sure to watch at the end of the video. We're going to be attending the Charlotte Racers Expo this year, and there's some more information on that at the end of the video because we are going to have our own booth. And I also want to mention that we did go to the World Crown 4-cylinder race. However, I only filmed the Young Guns main event. My plan originally was to film only main events and just kind of how I did the Durance Lane video. But what ended up happening is we left because it got so cold and it was really the wind that was hurting us, and the race started to turn it kind of like a wreck fest. But I'm gonna go ahead and put those clips in here that we got from the Young Guns main event. So this is Young Guns main event. Got spun on the straightaway. Got hit in the back and spun. Little disagreement in the pits right now.
I think that's another safety.
But now, guys, on to the video. Let's go ahead and get the steering knocked out, and yeah, I'll see you guys out there. So I hope the lighting isn't too much of an issue. Again, it's kind of going dark, so I'm trying to speed through this. I've got the old power steering box here. So do y'all want to know what an epic fail looks like? Well, it's here. I put this other bolt in to kind of like line everything up when I was tightening down this bolt here, and now I cannot find the nut that goes on this on the back side of this in the frame. I think it bounced off into the leaves behind me. Kind of the danger of working on a porch, but it's all I had to work with. So I'm going to keep this bolt out, and I'll see if I can maybe find it tomorrow. But otherwise, I'm going to run down to the shop, grab a spare bolt, and I'm not going to do it tonight. But I'm going to go ahead and put everything else back together because it is starting to get really, really cold and really, really dark, and it's only like 5:30. So I'm going to go ahead and get the center link in and the tie rods in. So I apologize for my light right here. I know it's probably throwing off the camera, but this is about as good as I can get with the amount of lighting I have on my porch. But this is the new center link here. I took your guys' advice and just got one off Rock Auto. Hopefully it'll work well. So we'll go ahead and get that in. And I gotta find what I did with the clips for the castle nuts. So add that to the to-do list. Get this tie run in. Alright. Let's double check. Oh yeah. Sorry for the horribly disgusting sounds. It's still a little bit of liquid in or power steering fluid in my steering box. So I don't know how well, and I doubt you guys will be able to see it. I'm doing the best I can with what I got and this space I got. I just got the heim joint onto the to the mounting bracket here, and I'll show you guys that in a second. You won't be able to see the quickener because it mounts up under the dash, so I can't get a camera in there, so I'm sorry about that. Alright guys, so I'm using my flashlight on my phone now because I took my other lights inside because I'm finished. But we got tie rods on, we got the center link on, we got the steering box on, the idler arm on. I still have to get a nut for that bolt that's missing there. Not really any issues putting it back in. Oh, and I also got the steering shaft. It may be hard to see, but I got the quickener mounted there. Got the heim joint mounted up here. It does feel smoother. It does feel smoother now, and so, sorry again for the noises, but I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, it's dark. I haven't eaten yet. It's getting pretty cold, so I'll see you guys inside. Okay guys, so I'm back inside, warming back up now. It has gotten cold and it's getting dark real soon, but I guess it's that time of year. I do want to say sorry about the World Crown 4-cylinder race. We just really did not expect it to be as cold and as windy as it was. And I think if it hadn't been as windy, it would have been okay. But we were absolutely freezing, and it seemed like it was kind of starting to turn into a wreck fest. And we left, and by the looks of things from Facebook, it seems like I was right about the wreck fest. So. Anyways, I want to say a quick shout out to our Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much for what you do and what you continue to do. If you want to go be a supporter of 3-0 Racing, get your name on the decking of our race car for everybody to see. I will leave a link up here in the corner for the video on our Patreon stuff. So, yeah, with that, I think, other than the gear and that one bolt, we're good to go chassis wise. The next step is going to be getting the engine fixed and heading back to whatever. I lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. But anywho guys, also after looking and debating and talking with our team, I think next year we're kind of primarily planning on racing at East Lincoln in the Renegade division there. We may venture back to Cherokee and Carolina to run that bigger class just to see how it is, maybe for some big money races. So yeah, I'm very pleased so far with our progress. It may take us a couple of months to get the engine ready, but I think we're still on schedule. And also, if you guys want to, if you guys go to the Charlotte Racers Expo, come check us out. We're actually going to have a booth set up there. We're going to have the rat rod and the race car. The race car won't have an engine in it, but it'll be there. I got to fix some body panels before it goes. I'm only going to be there Friday for a couple of hours because I have to go to Gatlinburg that weekend. I'm actually leaving from the show and heading straight there. So I'm not going to be able to stay for long, but Joey's going to be there. They're going to be handing out some stuff, so be sure to stop by and say hi. We're also putting on a seminar for social media and how it can help your racing, like it's helped ours. You know, it's helped us attract quite a few sponsors. But anyways, guys, be sure to go show our sponsors some love, Carolina Racing Supply. I will leave a link to their website down below in the description, and be sure to go check them out. Go check out their website. Go give them a like on Facebook, and tell them 30 Racing sent you. So with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I'm sorry I've been rambling on for a while, but I just want to let you guys know everything that was going on. But thank you so much for watching the video, and as always, we will see you in the next video.